Alright, Assalamualaikum and good morning, my students from Bijak, SK Kebakat Jaya. Alright, so today is Thursday, the 3rd of February 2021, and I'm your teacher, Miss Sarah. So today we are going to continue our lesson from the previous week, from the same topic, which is welcome. And I hope that by the end of the lesson, you will be able to read and understand simple sentences by answering simple questions. That's number one, our objective. And then I also hope that by the end of the lesson, you will be able to write a simple paragraph of your favorite family member. With guidance, of course, I will show you a demonstration on how to write a paragraph of your favorite family member. Alright, without further ado, let's start. Alright. Okay, so before we go to our lesson today, I would like that we look at some of the vocabulary that we will be seeing throughout the lesson. So we have two sets of vocabulary. The first one is personal pronoun. So we have I, you, he, she, it, you, we, and they. One more time. I, you, he, she, it, you, we, they. Alright, and then we have another set of vocabulary, which is personal adjective. So we have his, her, my, our, your, their, its. Again, his, her, my, our, your, their, its. Alright, so those are the two sets of vocabulary that we will be seeing a lot throughout our lesson today. Alright, so today we are going to talk about our family, and our favorite family member. Okay, so in order to do that, let's look. We're going to use five questions as guidance. So let's look at the sample questions. So this is the first one. What is his or her name? What is his or her name? Okay, his is for boy and her is for girl. All right, so we will be using either one in the question later. All right, so this is question number one. What is his or her name? Question number two. What color eyes has he or she got? What color eyes has he or she got? So that's question number two. All right, question number three. What color hair has he or she got? What color hair has he or she got? That's question number three. Question number four. What is his or her hobby? What is his or her hobby? All right. And question number five, the last question. What does he or she wants to be when he or she grows up? One more time. What does he or she wants to be when he or she grows up? So we are going to use these five questions as guidance to talk about our family member and also to write about our favorite family member. All right. So let's look at, as guidance, I'll be using my own family. So this is a picture of my family. I actually have five family members, but my brother is not in the picture, but that's okay. You'll see his face later in the slides. Alright, so let's read together. Hello, my name is Sarah. This is my family. I have a father, a mother, one brother, and one sister. One more time. Hello, my name is Sarah. This is my family. I have a father, a mother, one brother, not in the picture, and one sister. And this is me. Alright, so that is the introduction to your family. Okay, this is how you talk about your family. This is how you write about your family. Alright, okay, now let's look at how we are going to talk and write about our favorite family member. So I prepared two examples for you. So one is my father and one is my mother. So let's look at my father first, the first one. So that is my father. Alright, so we are going to use the 5 questions we talked about, the 5 questions that we talked about before, to talk about my father and to write about my father. Alright, so the first question, what is his name? What is his name? Alright, his name is Jazuli. His name is Jazuli. Alright, the second question, what color eyes has he got? What color eyes has he got? So he has got brown eyes. He has got brown eyes. Question number 3. What color hair has he got? What color hair has he got? Okay. He has got black hair. He has got black hair. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. What is his hobby? What is his hobby? His hobby is gardening. His hobby is gardening. And the last question, question number 5. What does he wants to be when he grows up? What does he wants to be when he grows up? So he wants to be a farmer. He wants to be a farmer. So notice that in this question and in this answer, we use his and he because my father is a man. So he is a male. He is a man. He is a male. So a man or a male, we use he and his. Alright? So let's look at my mother. So how do we write or how do we talk about our mother? Okay, my mother. How do you talk about your mother? Alright, so that is my mother. So let's look at the same question but a little bit different. Okay, so question number 1. What is her name? What is her name? So her name is Halima. Her name is Halima. What color eyes has she got? This is the second question. What color eyes has she got? Okay. She has got brown eyes. She has got brown eyes. Alright. Question number 3. What color hair has she got? What color hair has she got? Alright, since she's a Muslim and I'm a Muslim, so we can't really talk about the color, or the length or the shape of our hair. So I'm just going to put a random hair color for my mother because that's a secret. We're Muslim. We have to keep our hair a secret from other people other than our family. Alright, so I hope you understand. So what color hair has she got? She has got white hair. She has got white hair. Alright, what is her hobby? What is her hobby? So that's question number 4. Her hobby is shopping. Her hobby is shopping. And the last question, question number 5. What does she wants to be when she grows up? What does she wants to be when she grows up? So, she wants to be a teacher. She wants to be a teacher. So, those are the 5 questions that we use when we want to talk about a female member of the family. Alright, so notice that my mother is a woman. She is a female. So we use her and she. Okay? For my father, we use his and he because he's a male. But for my mother, we use her and she. Alright, I hope you understand. Right, let's look at how we are going to do our task, which is writing. Okay, write about your family. Talk about your favorite person in the family and why. Okay, we don't have to use why today because there's not enough space. We're just going to talk about our family and we're just going to write about our family and our favorite family member. All right. So for this one, I'll be giving you two examples as well. One male and one female because I have one brother and one sister. All right. Okay. So write about your favorite family member. All right. So that is my brother. All right. So I'm going to write about my brother first, and then we're going to look at how to write if you have about my sister. All right, so let's look. First, as introduction, you have to introduce yourself. So, hello, my name is Sarah. This is me. This is about me. This is about my family member. This is about my brother. Okay, so hello, my name is Sarah. I have a mother, a father, one brother, and one sister. My favorite person in the family is my brother. My brother over there. Okay, my brother. All right. His name is Amar. He has got black eyes and black hair. His hobby is playing video games. He wants to be a lecturer when he grows up. All right, so that is how you write about a a male member of your family. This is how you write. For example, this is how you write about your brother. For example, this is my brother. If you want to write about your brother, you can use this as a guidance. All right. Okay, so let's look at the next one, which is my sister. All right. So that is my sister. Let's write about her. Okay, same for introduction, it's the same. Hello, my name is Sarah. I have a mother, a father, one brother, and one sister. Right. My favorite person in the family is my sister. Her name is Shasha. She has got black eyes and white hair. Her hobby is baking. She wants to be a dentist when she grows up. Alright, so again, this is an example on how to write about your family member if your family member is a girl or is a woman. Alright, so if you want to write about your mother or your sister, you can use this one. You can use this example as a guidance. You just have to change the name, the color, the hobby, the one in the colored, the words, the colored words, just change that one. All right. So that is task one. Task one. So task number two. So you have a selfie, a drawing of a selfie. So I can't draw in on my computer, so I just Photoshop my face over there. So draw your face. So for this one, you have to draw your face, all right? So I'm looking forward to see how creative you can be when drawing your own face, all right? So that is all for today's lesson. I hope I'll see you again next week. That is all. Bye.